Hi, I'm Andy Parkin, Managing Director of the multi-award-winning Speed Screed, just here at Yorkshire Wildlife Park. We've been invited down just to take a look at some screeding works that are required on their new fantastic extension. Extension development. It's just a total redesign of the whole, effectively the whole park and the whole servicing. It's going to be really fantastic, along with a hotel and just restaurants and service areas. It's going to be absolutely fabulous for all children and parents alike. I'm an avid fan of the park as it is. This is just going to make it totally amazing. The screeding requirements are, there are areas that are requiring a isocrete self-level product at 27 mil. So that's going to be a bag product, added water, bringing up to an area of about 220 square metres with an average depth of 27 square metres. 27 millimetres, not square metres. And that will provide a level surface to put the floor coverings on, be they vinyls or tiles. So it's been a pleasure looking at this project, and hopefully Speed Screed will be able to secure this work and work alongside a fantastic local organisation such as the Yorkshire Wildlife Park. Thanks very much.